Once again, welcome to Mahobad Education YouTube channel. This is Somalingam Uppula, School Assistant to Biological Science from ZPHS Penugonda, K. Samudra Mandal. Today, our topic is dialysis, the artificial kidney. And as we know, due to various metabolisms in our body 24/7, kidneys are the vital organs for separation and elimination of wastages which are formed in the body due to various metabolisms. So kidneys are the organs. They have the ability to filter the blood and separate and eliminate the wastage from the body. But if whatever the reason, if both the kidneys are not working, then what is the solution? Here we are discussing the solution. So if any person, both the kidneys are not working completely, the situation is known as end-stage renal disease. The irreversible kidney failure is known as end-stage renal disease. Now the kidney failure leads to accumulation of excess amount of water and wastages inside the body, inside the bloodstream, known as uremia. Due to the kidney failure in a person, excess amount of water and wastages are accumulated. The situation is known as uremia. Due to the storation of excess amount of water as well as wastages, we can see different parts are swollen. So when the wastages are not eliminated from the body, it leads to tiredness and weakness, and of course it leads to finally death. So the irreversible kidney failure in a person is known as end-stage renal disease, means both the kidneys are not completely working. Then what is the solution? Yes, we have a solution for the kidney failure patient. The solution is dialysis, the artificial kidney. So actually inside the body, kidneys filter the blood and eliminate the wastages. In the place of kidneys, if a device, a machine, filter the blood and separate the wastages from the blood, is known as dialysis. Listen to me. In the place of kidney, if a device, a machine, filter the blood and separate the wastages from the blood, is known as dialysis or hemodialysis. The device used for the dialysis is known as dialyzer or dialysis machine. In the dialysis machine or dialyzer, we have mostly two important parts. First one, in the dialysis machine, we have dialyzing fluid. Then we have the cellophane tubes are embedded in the dialyzing fluid. Now the tubes are constructed with a plasma membrane like structure. Due to the semi-permeable membrane structure containing cellophanes, now the tubes have the power to filter the blood. So anyway, in the dialysis machine, we have two important parts. They are cellophane tubes which embedded in the dialyzing fluid. Now from the person, blood is collected from a artery. First we have to mix the anticoagulant factor like heparin. Now the blood enters into cellophane tubes which embedded in the dialyzing fluid. Now the blood and dialyzing fluid are exactly same structurally. The only difference is blood contains more amount of wastages. So when the blood is moving along the cellophane tubes through the simple diffusion process, from the tubes the waste materials are now enter into the dialyzing fluid. The process is known as dialysis or hemodialysis. Very simple process. While the blood is moving along the cellophane tubes which are embedded in the dialyzing fluid through the simple diffusion process from the blood. The wastages are now enter into dialyzing fluid is known as dialysis. After the purification of the blood, now we have to add the anti-heparin, a chemical. Then we have to re-inject the blood into the person through a vein. The complete process is known as dialysis. Now one sitting of dialysis takes approximately 3 to 5 hours time. And again, due to dialysis only, now we can save the people who are suffering from kidney failure throughout the world. But dialysis is only the temporary solution for the kidney failure patient. Then what about the permanent solution? Yes, the permanent solution is kidney transplantation. Dialysis is a very important process which has the power to save the lives of millions of the people in the world, but it is only a temporary solution. As a part of permanent solution for the kidney failure patient is kidney transplantation. Means collecting a kidney from the donor and inject into the place the kidney in the recipient's body is known as kidney transplantation. We have to collect a kidney from the donor and we have to insert in a recipient's body. The process is known as kidney transplantation. In the kidney transplantation, we have some complications, especially when you take a kidney from unknown person, it leads to some complications because the receiver's immunity may not accept the donor's kidney easily. Means the immunity of recipient's body has the rejection. Especially it may show some rejection of the donor's kidney. To avoid this complication, we have to take the kidney mostly from the close relative, then only easily we can avoid the problem of immunity system. But nowadays, due to the development in the medical sciences, which is so easy to do the kidney transplantation without having any complication. And of course, by having a single kidney also we can maintain a normal life without having any complication. That is why kidney donation, kidney transplantation is the only solution of the end stage renal disease patient. So nowadays organ donation, the donation of organs is the very important activity now throughout the world to save some millions of the people who are suffering from different type of diseases. Especially in the kidney failure patient, we have to give the kidney of a donors for the recipient now who can lead a normal life without having any complication. The whole process is known as kidney transplantation. As a master of science, we have to educate society through the students on the importance of organ donation. By donating organ, we can save some millions of lives in the universe. So here is the lesson of dialysis as well as kidney transplantation. Okay, so in the dialysis, in the place of natural kidneys, a machine, a device has the power to separate the wastages from the blood is known as dialysis or hemodialysis. The machine or device is known as dialyzer or artificial kidney dialysis machine. After the purification of the blood by using dialyzer, after adding the anti-heparin, a chemical, now we have to re-inject the blood through the person through the vein. The process known as dialysis, which requires 3 to 5 hours for every sitting, and we have to do the dialysis minimum once in a week to save the life who are suffering from kidney failure. Okay, thank you.